Ladies and gentlemen, amici miei ragazzuoli, noi siamo al water park, come si chiama? Waterland. We're gonna have some fun. We have the camera that goes on the water, so this is gonna be exciting. Actually, there is no people, so that's good because everything is for us. So let's get it. Let's have some fun. Let's eat ice cream, and yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going with this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
It's actually crazy. Now we are going straight there. Straight there we going. Straight there we going. Let's get it. Oh God! Oh God! Where am I going? What the? What the? Where am I? Oh no! Go with the back! Go with the back! What do I do? Whoa! Whoa! Where am I? Where am I? Everything's done. Everything. No! No! Where am I going? Now with the back again! Why am I always? Where am I going? No! Now we're going with the front. No, no, no! Oh! Wow! No, I'm not gonna lie, that was absolutely crazy. Now we are waiting, amore. Yo, that was absolutely crazy. Hello? Oh my God. What the fuck? I'll be like this because you need to, because of the fast. Oh God. Oh baby. Oh baby. Choo, choo. Ah! Choo, 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 choo. Jesus, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh, Porco doing. Oh, Porco doing. No, no, with the back. Not with the back again. No, no, no. Oh, Porco doing. Oh, Porco doing. Where am I? After a beautiful ride on the slides, we got ourselves some ice cream, some leftovers. That's so sad. Look, literally, the water park is literally, look behind me, we're in the middle of the desert. Like, it's so crazy. Middle of the desert, like, boo, okay. Okay, like the only thing that you can see when you're going on top of the slides is sand and rocks. That's it. This is what happens when you don't have a phone. So you gotta improvise. This is so stupid. Oh my God, there are so many amiibos. There is like, is that a cup of like Pikachu? What is happening? Is that Snorlax? Is that a lamp? Is that a lamp of the Champ? What? How is that even? What? You can even. What? That's actually so cool. That's the best shirt I've ever seen in my life. I'm taking this. Mario and Luigi Mansion with the ghost dog. Ah, what am I looking at? Is that Donkey? What is it? What the? What Donkey? What are you doing? What am I looking at? This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. This is crazy. Excuse me. Can I take this home, please? Can I steal it and take it home? What am I? Huh? Guys, oh my. What? Can I take everything home? Can I take everything home, please? I have also like a how do you say, like present shop, like toy shop, like something souvenir shop. What? This is crazy. I wanna buy everything. I wanna be that child. Ma che cazzo? Ma che cazzo? Ma che cazzo vedo? Ma ragazzi, ma questo non è family, non è child. Oh. Frate is going through a lot of pain in his life. Why is everyone facing forward and he's like, nah, who broke you? Someone broke your heart? Frate. Ladies and gentlemen, ciao a tutti ragazzi. Ciao. This place has beautiful, amazing pasta with seafood. Absolutely amazing, absolutely tasty. We recommend it as hell. Plus. And yeah, we're gonna order it. As you can see, we are like in a boat. Yeah, everything is like wood. We have nets. We have weird stuff everywhere. This is crazy. So let's order and let's eat. Pam. Ragazzi miei, la pasta squid con i frutti di mare è arrivata. Beautiful, buonissima. Let's eat. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry as fuck.
Is happening over here? Why do I see Lionel Messi on a chips bag with red paprika? What are you doing? This place is even prettier at night. Like, what is happening? This place is beautiful. Bro, look at this. This is majestic. Look at the fountains. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I mean, come on, bro. Good morning, another morning, beautiful morning. We have some chia, we have some pancakes, we have some shakshuka, we have some tonno, we have some pancakes with some chocolate that it's not Nutella. I don't know what chocolate it is, but yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful, how is this place called? I actually can't remember, but this place looks absolutely beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is time for some diving in the sea. We are in the sad part of the vacation. We have to say goodbye to our room. Thank you for being the best room ever, with the best view ever, with the best, well, kind of best bed ever. Thank you for the wine. Thank you for the everything. That was absolutely amazing. We love this home, and I guess this is a goodbye. Well, bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, room. Looks like now this is heaven. Now this is heaven.